Hello. Welcome back to school. Alright, so this is going to be a quick run through of my arithmetic homework, and look who's got to come through but the cats. Yeah. Okay. So, I have been working very hard for Magister and teacher. But I was working on a couple lessons before Latin. Let me just do a zoom in on this so the shadow doesn't get in the way. I was doing a couple lessons before Latin on Thursday. We didn't have Latin on Friday because holiday. That's why. Yeah. Okay, so we moved Latin to Thursday. I did some homework during Latin, or before Latin, which are these two lessons. And this is from the WPA book. I'm going to go through this slowly so that teacher can, watch this and mark questions or whatever, or answers or whatnot. Because I think I sent this in another video, but I don't think I went through it slowly. And I just haven't took pictures. I used to take pictures, but now it's I need to go through and delete a whole bunch of files and stuff off my phone. Okay, this here at the beginning of 8 is supposed to be a person putting marbles in a bag. Don't ask me what happened. But this digit, whatever it is, it got really, really messed up. And the wrist is all messed up. Everything is just messed up on this picture. I am not an artist. Of course, I don't see well. So visual arts is really, really difficult for me to complete. I gotta spend a lot of time to do something really well. But if I know what I'm drawing, I can draw really good details. I drew one picture of some mice and then a cat eating one of the mouse. Yeah. The other pictures are obviously music notes and dining tables. Those were just quick and easy. The ones with the coins and the clock, I didn't have to draw pictures, but it helped me to comprehend what was being asked. We haven't really covered time, so that was interesting. But I drew a clock and I figured it out. And then I think all the rest of this is basically just just arithmetic stuff that I really shouldn't have any problems with. Okay, so this is July 4. At the bottom of the page, I did chapter 3, lessons 9 to 13. I know teacher is really busy, so he doesn't always keep in touch with me about homework and things. Something we're working on. But in his Magister, if he could kind of hold me accountable to get a bunch of stuff done. Initially that day I was going to try to get the rest of my arithmetic done and Latin and hopefully get to the organ. Well, I only got to the arithmetic stuff. I got most of the arithmetic done. Actually, I think I got everything I needed to get done, that I wanted to get done, because I wanted to get these lessons caught up so that then I could work on the other lesson in the TFSN book, APA. I've got one lesson in Braille to work on with that, which deals with the foot and the quarter, what a quarter of a foot is and things like that, which I'm kind of glad I waited until then, because one, we did cover that in class, and two, there's a lesson of that covered in this section of the book that I worked through with the WPA. So hopefully that helped with, that will help with my writing out the rest of my arithmetic homework. And then once that Braille lesson is done in the TFSN APA book, I'll have 2 lessons left in the WPA, which is basically dealing with the foot. And then the last lesson is a review. So that's how that would work. So again, some of these I didn't have to draw pictures, but drawing the pictures does help with my understanding of the abstractness of what exactly is happening. And I just basically kind of kept Magister posted as to what I was working on. I think by the time I got done, it was like late in the evening, and I was really tired. And I did fall asleep a couple times during the first couple lessons because I just didn't get much sleep. So I was kind of drifting in and out during the first couple lessons. But once I kind of got these other ones going, it was a little bit easier. But yeah, Magister was very happy that I was able to get a bunch of work done. Even if it wasn't his Latin homework, the fact that I was doing some homework, he said, was really good. Because I'm not doing homework. I'm not doing homework like I should do homework. And he says I should do homework like I should do homework. So, that pretty much covers arithmetic stuff up to where we're at and what's coming up. Once I get all of this stuff done, I think my arithmetic will be caught up. I still have Latin homework. I did do some of that today. I'm going to do an update on that soon. And then I have some reading homework, and that will pretty much get me caught up as far as all of that stuff. So that concludes this video and this little update for arithmetic for now. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget, ring the notification bell for all notifications.